How to restart AutoDriver in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restart your AutoDriver on Windows 10 and 11. If you're experiencing audio issues, this quick fix might help you with it. So first, let's talk about why is it important to keep your audio drivers updated. Outdated or corrupted drivers can lead to sound problems. Now, let's get started. First is to open the settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the start menu and then you need to go and select the settings. Once you're in settings, you need to go to system and then find troubleshoot settings. Then you need to click on audio and here you need to run the audio troubleshoot. Once you have done that, you need to scroll down and here it asks you a questions that if you want to run automatic diagnostic to try solving your problem, you need to click on yes. Once you have done that, it will help you to diagnose if there is any problem in your audio here. Now, once you have done that, if this does not solve your problem, we can try another method. You need to go back and then right click on the start button and then select device manager from the list. This will open a new window where you can manage all your devices. Once you're in the device manager, look for the sound, video and games controllers. Click the arrow to expand this section. Here you will see all of your audio device listed. Now right click on your audio device and select disable device. Wait a few seconds, then right click again and select enable device. This will restart your audio driver. After enabling this device, it's a good idea to test your audio. Play some music or a video to see if the sound is working properly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.